Hi everyone, I'm Hensis from Hensis Way. Welcome back to my channel, and today I am so excited because I'm going to do a tutorial and review on the Rizos Curls Line. This is one of those brands that I've been on the lookout for the longest time, and I actually won the entire line thanks to Brittany at Curly Brit on Instagram. So thank you for that. This is a Latina-owned brand, and it was founded by Rizos to kind of like create a perfect formula for bouncy, shiny, defined, frizz-free, soft curls. And she wanted to do this because there was a lot of products that she will try that will not work on her. I'm also very excited because they won Naturally Curly's 2019 Best of Best Leaders in Curls Awards. They won Best Emerging Brands and Best Refresher. So honestly, congratulations for that, because they're making history for us Latinos and for us curly hair people. So the Rizos Curls line includes a shampoo, a conditioner, a refresh/detangler spray, and also a curl defining cream. But basically, they have the hydrating shampoo. It has shea butter, moringa oil, and it doesn't have no sulfates, silicones, or parabens. They also basically explain to you, which I really like that they say what the shea butter does and then what moringa oil does. And basically it locks in moisture and it helps with fighting dandruff and split ends, and basically cleans, very well your hair. The smell of this is amazing, and whenever they send it to you, they send you this card which helps you kind of like, okay, so this is step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4, and it kind of tells you how to do it depending on your type of hair. Then and it also, the shampoo retails for $19.99. So I think it's a very good price. They have a deep conditioner, which I've seen a couple of reviews, and sometimes people use it as a deep conditioner per se, and they don't necessarily use another one. So that's pretty cool. I can tell by the way that this is very soft. I've used this twice and it's amazing. The deep conditioner has olive oil, sunflower oil, and coconut oil. It's the first one for me to see sunflower oil, and I actually found out that basically it reduces product buildup and alleviates dry scalp, which I was really excited because my scalp looks dry a lot of the time. And this retails for $19.99. So as you can see here, I already did a shampoo and conditioner with these two products. I know it looks a little dry, but I'm going to wet my hair and do a little tutorial with it. So I have used the Rizos Curls line in my last wash and go, and the first time around when it came down to styling, I used the cream, the detangler, and a gel. I kind of wanted to see how would it react with kind of like a normal routine, and though I loved the results and it was soft and it had volume, it did let a little bit of like that hardness that gels have. So I'm just curious to see how it works with just the cream and the detangler. They also recommend on their website to diffuse for better results. And the last time I just let it air dry. So I'm kind of it's kind of like a first time for me to just do those two things and to not put any gel on it. So the cream right here, it retails for $21.99. and it has aloe vera, coconut oil, and shea butter. As we know, coconut oil reduces frizz, prevents hair breakage. Shea butter locks in moistures without leaving hair greasy, and then aloe vera deeply conditions, promotes hair growth, and also reduces dandruff. Then they also have the Refresh and Detangler spray, which retails for $19.99, and it also contains coconut oil, olive oil, and shea butter. I love that they have this product because basically you can use this to detangle your hair on wash days, but also to refresh on the days that you're not going to wash your hair. You need just a quick refresh. I really like that. I went to rizoscurls.com, I went to the website, and basically I found that they have some styling tips, and I found that they have ones for my specific type of hair. So my hair is very thick and it also very dry. It's kind of like a 3C going for a type of hair. It's not that noticeable when I wet my hair and I do my styling, but on the second day, like my curls are very, very tight and very like small. So they have a specific styling tips for those type of hair. So basically they recommend to use a refreshing tangle spray on the ends of the hair, and then do not put that much near the scalp, which I believe is to prevent kind of like product buildup. They also say that after you use the refreshing detangler, you go ahead and use a fair amount of the finishing cream. Now we all know that means use a lot. For my type of hair, they also recommend to not take all of the conditioner off your hair. They recommend to just like take about 80% of it and like leave a little bit off. So that's basically what I did. I shampoo and conditioned with Rizos Curls, and it's looking a little dry because my hair dries really fast. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start wetting my hair and basically use it as they say that I should use for my type of hair, and see the results. So basically this is the result after I use the detangler and the cream. I don't know if you guys can see there, like I don't know if it's noticeable, but like they form the like individual curls. Like usually my curls get very clumped together, but honestly it's so what I'm going to do is I'm going to diffuse it off camera, and then I'm going to come back so you guys can see and I can see the final results with the cream and detangler. And yeah, I'll be back. Oh my gosh, I am so like shook by this results, because I usually use a lot of products, like I use gel and leave-ins and stuff, and this was only the refresh detangler and the cream. I am so excited. I diffused it for about like 20-25 minutes. There's some parts over here that mine was a little dry, so basically I just refresh it a bit more and that's it. My curls, like they're like individually like curled. I just love that. This line, it's honestly amazing, guys. I recommend. This is not a sponsored video. I want this on a giveaway. I'm just really excited for this product. So if you want to go and check it out for yourself, go to rizoscurls.com. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, just click the like button and subscribe to my channel. Let me know in the comments below, have you tried any of the Rizos Curls products? What do you think of them? If you want to follow me for more stuff, you can follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. Thank you. This has been the Hannah's Way. See you in the next one. Bye.